Hi guys, I've seen an awful lot of Boy Scouts who have sharpened axes the wrong way, and I wanted to just take a couple minutes to show you how to do it the right way. This has been in the Boy Scout Handbook for probably 50 years or more. It's simple to do. I'll show you now. You start with 3 pegs. Two of them are to back up the log. And you put one in front to hold the axe in place. Very important, safety. Gloves, always gloves. And you need a file. This one I've used an old tin can so that you can't get your fingers against the blade. A lot of things will work. Here's a piece of cardboard. We'll jam the handle onto this and it'll be ready to go. You want a nice gray file with nice sharp teeth on it. You take the axe, lean it up here, and you want to start working at about a 30-degree angle to get a nice even bevel across the whole face of that blade. Now, so we didn't have to spend 20 minutes doing this. I already pre-sharpened this mostly. I'll give the other side a little bit of attention. And if you can see, what you're going for is a nice even bevel across the whole width of the blade. Now, to finish it off, a sharpening stone, nice even circular motions. Do it on the other side. And I really can't show you this, but this stone has a rough side and a smooth side. I'm using the rough side first, then I'll go to the smooth side. You can maybe hear the difference. And at this point, you have an axe that's very sharp and should cut into a piece of wood very easily. And I will advise everybody, when you're doing this, don't ever chop right into the ground, because if you do, you'll dull your blade. You want to have something underneath it to support it when you cut. Hope you've learned something. Thanks a lot. And don't forget, when you're done, safety. You put the sheath back on the axe. Thanks a lot for watching.